sa mga taong nais hadlangan aming mga pangarap. Kaya wag niyong ipagtaka kung kami bumibitaw ng mga liriko malawak at sinasaklaw.
Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Kami magsisilbing liwanag galing sa lawa. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Kami ang mapikang destinado ng lawa.
Masintabi sa lahat, hindi kami feeling sikat, at lalong hindi rin kami nagkakalat. Wala kaming pake kung sino man sa aming magalit sa aming mga tira sapagkat sila inggit. Subalit, hindi nyo pa ba napagtatanto na merong abilidad ang purong Ilocano? Marunong din gumalang at marunong rumispeto. Kami ang batikang destinado ng Iloco.
Huwag na munang manghusga at putik na ng panlabas. Nakaanyuan pagkat hindi tumadalas, na dapat mapansin na di rin dapat pagbasihan. Sana'y kakayahan din naman ang pakatitigan. Ito ang siyang liwanag na nanggaling pa sa norte. Pagiging Ilocano'y di namin itatanggi. Kaya muli ay pasintabi kung ganto kami kahit, at pinagsisigawan kami Ilocano for life.
Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Kami magsisilbing liwanag galing sa lawa. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Kami ang mapikang destinado ng lawa.
Sa muling pagpapalik, ganun pa rin ang aming topic. Aming titirahin mga wannabe lintik, mga flip. Kaya kayo sa amin o respeto, aming itataas ang bandera ng Ilocano.
Dito sa Iloco, kami nga patang represented. Hindi nyo ba alam, we're the rapper that respected, at si GX ang tatapos sa marapper na laos. Kaya wag nang magbalak, tumapak dito sa Ilocos
Norte, kami ang bakal na pulido. Kaya wag pakasubok-subukan magyabang sa Ilocano. Baguhan nga kami kung inyong tutuusin. Babala lang sa inyo, wag nyo kami ilismunin. Pagkat kami mga ngasiwang mula Norte hanggang sa Sur, aming pinagmamalagay kami Ilocano na pure. Plus ngayon nyo kami pigilan at nang inyong makita. Trip me, pigilan nyo, ba't tripin ha?
Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Kami magsisilbing liwanag galing sa lawa. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Kami ang mapikang destinado ng lawa. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Kami magsisilbing liwanag galing sa lawa. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Ilocano, Ilocano for life. Kami ang batikang destinado ng lawa.
Okay, check it out. Okay, check it out.
Oh la la. Oh la la. Want to borrow my hand.
What it do? It's the boy T-List. And what I'm about to give you right here is a burn exclusive, baby. Let's run that.
Love, 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 I want your love. I want your drama, the touch of your hair. I want your leather studded kiss in the sand. I want your love. Love, 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 I want your love. Love, love, I want your love. You know that I want you, and you know that I need you. I want the fire.
Burn exclusive, baby.
I want your love, and you did.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick-tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick-tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No.
Let's go! Hey! What's happening? We drinking tonight, girl! Drinking tonight with me, what's your drink? No!
Hey girl, where's your drink? We gon' all get real drunk tonight. Hey girl, I got pub, we can all get fucked up. By the end of the night, I'ma have you drunk and flowing out. By the end of the night, I'ma have you so.
Oh my
Man, shut the
goodness.
fuck up. Let me start my mouth.
You nigga, take me.
She's staring at me. I'm sitting wondering what she's thinking. Nobody's talking, 'cause talking just turns into screaming. Oh. And now it's I'm yelling over her, she yelling over me. All that means is neither of us are listening.